Hey, this is Ben, and I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of my ball diamond home plate template. There's a full tutorial included with the download, but I want to give you a quick demonstration of what's all included with this template. Obviously, just like all my templates, there's lots of flexibility and some really cool elements. The tutorial will fully explain all the different elements and their features, and also teach you about how to light your subjects and how to insert your extracted subjects into this template. You can easily change any text to whatever you like, simply by using your text tool, highlighting it, and typing in your team name or some other message. You can even put sponsors on the banner in the background. You can resize, move all this stuff, extend. Everything's very flexible, and again, there's a full tutorial that'll teach you just how to do it. You can use the sliders to customize the color of the banner to match your team colors. And of course, the fonts are all customizable. You can select any font you want to. If you do something like that, inserting your subject is very easy. You're just going to shut off my sample subjects and bring in your own subject. Here's a sample of one of my subjects. You don't have to photograph your subjects on green screen. They can be photographed on any solid color you want. You just need to be able to extract your subject somehow. I want to run it through a quick extraction using my green screen extraction action. And then that was real time. And then I'm going to insert her into the scene and then size her to where I think she'd fit. And then I'd go to the next subject just like that. You can change the logo out simply by adding in your own logo. The tutorial will teach you how to simply drag and drop an extracted logo into the designated spot, and it'll be updated within the template. And it even looks like it's on the dirt. There's a couple cool bonus features where you can change the sky out to a bright sky if you want to. You can have it dark or bright. You can move the lights around. You can move the banners around. You can even add dust to the scene. The tutorial will also teach you how to easily turn this into a panoramic banner if you like, and this will easily print as 8-foot banners, 10-foot banners. There's plenty of resolution to print large vinyl banners for your team if you'd want to. There's also an awesome individual template that can be used for banners or just individual prints. It has all the same features. You can either use this as your subject's name down here and do like senior banner type stuff, or you could change it just to the team name and say, for example, Wilton Beavers, and use it for volume prints for parents. And just like the other one, you can change all the elements around, move individual lights, things like that to wherever you need to. It's an amazing template with lots of features, and any baseball or softball team is going to love this. There's also some really unique individual add-on options that you can get for this too. Check them out. There's the ball diamond baseline, there's the ball diamond batter's box, the ball diamond catch, and the ball diamond pitcher's mound. All with lots of amazing features.